Okay, today we are removing and fitting the clock spring for a Fortuner. Alright, like always, first and for all, you remove the battery first for your safety. Then from there, you remove the steering. So for your steering, take out this. There are clips here around both sides. So you remove this one. You must use a splint just to take the steering out. That's one side of it. There we go. Right, grab the keys. Right. On the other side.
And seasonings, masalas, herbs of pure ground and whole.
Okay, alright. There's the same one, same like the other side. So just apply it a bit, no force. Okay, take it out. Same. You loosen your steering wheel, your steering airbag, so you can get access to the clock spring. Alright. So just slowly remove it. So you've got your airbag wire. You remove him first. Bring out. There is a hooter one. So you just press there. So easy to take. Then it comes out. Put it there. Right there. You take your plugs out, the controls, relays for everything there. And just make sure your steering is straight, so that will not have problems when you are putting your airbag, everything back. So check your wheels. Right, if they are straight, take a 19 socket, then you loosen your steering as there. Alright, sometimes it's a bit difficult to pull it out, so just shake. Just check. Right. There we go. It's out there. Then you take your steering wheel out with your wheels straight. Right. Just pull your steering. Now you have to take the steering covers off, so you can get access to all the wires around the clock spring. Take your screws off there. Now there is one at the bottom, so you go down, remove him there. You can use a Phillips screwdriver, a star. Alright. That's it. Yes, you can carefully pull the covers out. Alright. So on this one, there is a steering angle sensor. So the steering angle sensor is right, so we just remove the clock spring and put back the
existing clock steering wheel angle sensor.
Yes, but provided your steering angle is, everything is right.
Yeah.
So it will not damage. So it cannot be damaged. So now you remove the wires. This is the hooter wires. This is the airbag, and this one, the white one, the blue box there. That's the steering angle sensor. Then you pull it out, right, and make sure your steering doesn't turn. So you remove it. Got two clips there. Another one. There we go. Then it's out. Just make it central. Okay, this is the angle sensor. So we will get the new clock spring. Just transfer this one to the new one. Our new clock spring is centered already. So now just have to take the angle sensor there and put it there. Right.
Okay.
That's your angle sensor, and make sure nothing is moving on those points. Alright, so even if you are putting on a new one, right, if it's not lining, right, so what you can do, if it's not lining like this one, So you break this one, that center for, so you can just turn. You don't have to turn the angle sensor, you turn the clock spring itself so it can go and link in there. Alright, there we go. Everything is ready to go. We put it back as you take it out. Alright, just to see if everything is working, first of all you put your angle sensor back, switch on the ignition to see if, so there's the lights on, there it goes off. Right, so which means everything is perfect on the angle sensor, we didn't disturb it. So alright, then you put your wires back. There we go, airbag. This is the hooter wires and controls. Then if everything is done, then you put your covers back. So make sure this one doesn't move. The rest must keep on the same. Right. Screws back, 3 of them. Put back the bottom one. Now we're just assembling back as we took it off. Right, put all your plugs here back. And you can even test your hooter if it's working. There we go. Then you can put the bolt for the steering. Where did I throw it now? Okay. And tighten everything. Your steering back. Hooter wire, then your airbag plug properly. Tighten those 2 screws. Tight the other one. Okay. Don't forget to put back all what you take from. Remove the side covers. Okay. You can put the other one. Okay. For Toyota, for the airbag, you don't have to reset it. It must just go off itself. You don't have to reset. You don't have to use any launch unless the light still comes on itself. Then you just check. But there we go. Everything's done.
Thank you.
Thank you.